We sometimes receive job work material back without it being processed. This can happen for several reasons. For example, the subcontractor might be experiencing delays because of labor issues, machine breakdowns, or even factory accidents. It could also be that the subcontractor has changed their business or moved locations, which makes it difficult for us to continue working with them. There could be other reasons, such as them losing necessary government approvals or our quality team identifying a drop in their work standards. To start receiving unprocessed material from your subcontractor, first, click on our Add button. Next, select the subcontractor from the displayed list. Enter challan number and date from subcontractor document. Then, double-tap that part and cell. Choose the finished or semi-finished part you are receiving. The system will automatically populate all necessary details and calculate the minimum quantity you can receive. Please note, we had sent material against finished or semi-finished part, hence we will receiving against it. Now, enter your desired quantity. Please ensure this quantity should less than or equal to the minimum quantity. Switch to the Challan tab. Here, you will see a list of all open challans that will be cleared against this transaction. If challan quantity greater than the receipt requires, you will see the remained quantity in balance cell. Finally, once you have reviewed all the information and it is correct, tap Save. If all validations are successful, the system will generate your unprocessed material receipt. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.